Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make ensaymaditas. Okay, so our first step is to make the tanzhong mixture. Dissolve your flour into milk, or you can replace it with water if you like. So just keep on stirring hanggang ma-dissolve na yung ating flour. Kailangan walang lumps. So after that, turn on the heat into medium-low. Just keep on stirring hanggang mag-thicken na yung ating mixture. Pag nag-taste like na siya, it's time for you to turn off the heat and then put it on the side to cool it down. And then for later use. Your mixture should be like this, ang texture. Okay, so let's prepare the dry mixture. Combine the flour, instant yeast, sugar, and powdered milk and salt, and then mix everything together. And then we're gonna add the milk little by little. So hindi natin ilalagay yung milk like ng bigla. So uunti-untiin lang natin siya hanggang ma-mix natin all together. Okay. Siguro mga 3 lagay ng milk. Basta wag lang natin siyang bibiglain. Okay, so after malagay yung milk, ilalagay naman natin yung ating tanzhong mixture. So, little by little din natin siya ilalagay. Hindi natin siya bibiglain. So, just keep on mixing, everything together with the tanzhong mixture and flour. Hanggang makuha nyo na, ilagay nyo na yung matanggal na yung dryness doon sa ating flour. And then lastly, ang ilalagay natin yung ating eggs. So, ganun din. Ilalagay natin siya unti-unti kasi ayaw natin ma-over-mix yung ating egg. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, unti-unti lang din ang lagay niya. So, masyadong mahaba ang process niya for, Okay, so after nyan, ilalagay na natin yung ating butter. So, your butter should be at room temperature, no? So, kailangan hindi nyo rin bibiglain yung paglagay ng ating butter. So, little by little din ang paglagay ng butter, no? And then, keep on kneading. Like, it's gonna be a little bit, a little bit sticky. Kasi nga, dun sa butter natin. Siguro mga approximately magni-need kayo ng mga 20 to 25 minutes hanggang makuha niyo yung tamang texture ng ating dough. And then, pag nakita nyo ng medyo hindi na dumidikit sa kamay nyo, pwede nyo na siya transfer sa ating work table or sa ating semi-floured working table. So, just keep on kneading. Kung pwede nyo i-slap, pwede nyo rin gawin yun. And then, hanggang makuha nyo na yung ating tamang texture. Okay, so i-check natin kung hindi na, pag in-stretch natin, wala nang butas sa gitna. That's the time na i-rest na natin yung ating dough. So, into a bowl, kailangan grease bowl, ilagay nyo siya doon, and then i-rest natin siya ng mga at least 1 hour to 1.5 hour. Depende yun sa temperature ng inyong place. So, i-check nyo rin siya every now and then. Kung medyo nag-double na yung size niya, that's the time for you to cut your dough. Okay, so while waiting for our dough to rise, so magpe-prepare tayo ng ating mold. So, ang gagamitin natin yung yung mini mold, kasi ang gagawin natin is the mga maliliit na ensaymada. So, just grease them like butter or margarine and then set aside. Ayan, ito na yung ating dough. So, i-divide na natin siya into equal parts. So, since maliliit yung ating gagawing ensaymada, kailangan mga 30 to 35 grams lang. Okay, so iro-roll lang natin siya into a log na maliit. Pwedeng ganyan ang gawin nyo, and then place natin siya dun sa ating mold. O kaya naman, pwede naman na hindi nyo na gawing i-roll. Yung parang ano na lang siya, form into ball. Form into like that. And then put it in the mold. Then, i-rest na naman natin siya ng another 30 minutes hanggang mag-double na yung size niya like that. So, while waiting, let's make our buttercream. So, kailangan lang natin yung half cup butter and then 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and mix everything together hanggang maging smooth na siya. Okay, so when the ensaymada is ready, just cool it down for 10 minutes. Tsaka natin ipapahid yung ating buttercream. Kasi pag medyo mainit, melt yung ating buttercream. So, just spread everything on top of the bread. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating grated cheese. So, I already prepared grated cheese ahead of time. So, if you like to prepare it ahead of time, it's much better. Kasi, hindi na hassle yung mag-grate pa. So, ayan. All you have to do is put it on top of the bread. And then, that's it. Okay, so you can also use, if you can't find a tiny or a mini mold, you can just use a cupcake liner. So, pwede nyo ilagay doon. Itong last piece ko, doon ko nilagay sa cupcake liner. Because it's a little bit bigger than other ensaymaditas. So, ayan. So, I just want to show you how soft it is. This ensaymaditas. It's really soft and fluffy. You can't even pull it because, you know, dumidikit doon sa ano niya. So, see how soft it is? It's really good. Very cheesy and very, you know, very soft. So yummy. Okay, so it's time to wrap our ensaymaditas. So, para ma-maintain natin yung freshness ng ating ensaymada, ibabalot natin siya sa plastic wrap. So, kung makakakita kayo ng plastic wrapper na pwedeng pambalot dito, yun ang gamitin nyo. So, pwede kayong gumamit yung pambalot sa pulburon. May nabibili sa market nun. Then, just wrap everything separately para maging presentable siya. Pwede nyo siya iregalo or ibenta, you know. Ayan. Para maging presentable siya. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating finished product. So, pwede nating yang kainin right away or, you know, or pwede yan hanggang 4 days. Or pwede nyo naman ilagay kung masyadong mainit sa inyo, pwede nyo ilagay sa fridge muna, and then heat up nyo na lang pagkakakainin nyo na. Ready to eat. Okay, so I hope you like my video for today, the recipe for today, and enjoy baking. Thanks for watching.